In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Woocommerce page errors on your cart, checkout, and account pages. If you're dealing with issues on these essential pages, you're in the right place. By following this guide, you'll have your pages running smoothly in no time. So let's dive in. First, go ahead and open your web browser and head over to WordPress.com. This is your main portal to access and manage your website. Once there, you'll need to log in to your WordPress account. If you're not already signed in, look for the Login button. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you have trouble remembering your password, remember that you can use the password reset link provided on the login page. After logging in, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center for managing all aspects of your WordPress site. From here, you have access to themes, plugins, and general site settings. It's where all the magic happens, including addressing these pesky Woocommerce errors. Now, in your dashboard, find and select Woocommerce. If it's already installed, it should appear in the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on it, and then choose the Settings option. This is where you can adjust and tweak various functionalities specific to Woocommerce. Once inside Woocommerce settings, look for the Advanced tab. By clicking on it, you'll enter a section that hosts more detailed and specific options for configuring how your site interacts with customers and handles transactions. Within the Advanced settings, head to the Page Setup area. This section specifically deals with the pages necessary for Woocommerce's operation. It's essential that each of these pages is set correctly for your store to function properly. Here's where it gets focused. You'll need to individually check and verify the setup for 3 pages: the cart page, the checkout page, and the My Account page. Click first on the link for the cart page. Ensure the correct page from the drop-down list is selected to serve as your cart page. Once that's set, proceed to click on the checkout page option. Just like before, ensure the correct page is selected. This page is vital as it's where customers will finalize their purchases and provide payment. Finally, click on the My Account page. Review the selection to confirm that the designated page is appropriate and functioning. This page is where your customers manage their information, view their order history, and update any account details. And there you have it. These steps should resolve any errors you're experiencing with your cart, checkout, and account pages. If issues persist, consider disabling other plugins temporarily, as sometimes plugin conflicts can cause unexpected behavior. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your Woocommerce pages back on track.